Hey guys, it is Crazy Crafter. I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to build a realistic computer. And also, guys, I'd like to shout out to Purple People's Eater for showing me how to customize my own channel art. But yeah, you're gonna need any type of block, weighted pressure plates, any type, activator rail, just in case, and a picture for the screen. So let's do this. Golden or iron, and you place the picture there, and that's basically a computer right there. But you can change it up by putting the putting a button as like a mouse, sort of. It's kind of, or you could do it like that, or you could do it with the activator rail. I kind of like it, the activator rail, because it looks like a keyboard and it lights up like that. Pretty cool, right? But yeah, that's basically how you build the computer. Actually, I don't like the painting. Yeah, okay. So that's the way how to build a computer. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and check my subscriptions for Monty 300, Rex MIT, Purple People's Eater 1, and Black Panther Stark. And peace out, Brez.